Today we're diving into a game-changing workout that'll sculpt your hips, glutes, and hamstrings while keeping things low impact. We'll be using heavier weights and slower movements to maximize muscle growth and minimize stress on your joints. Get ready to feel the burn and see results. Let's go! Today's workout features 3 key exercises with low sets and low reps, so we're going to make things heavier and really challenge ourselves. Today we're breaking out the Barbell Romanian Deadlift, the Ankle Strap Hip Flexion, and the Ankle Strap Hip Abductor. I know it sounds like nothing, but trust me, it's something and it's major. And remember, we're going heavier than usual since our rep count is lower, so let's get into it. First up, we have the Barbell Romanian Deadlift. This powerhouse move targets your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Today we're going to be doing 4 sets with 15 reps per set. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet hip width apart, holding the barbell in front of your thighs. Hinge at the hip, pushing your butt back while keeping your back nice and straight. Slowly lower the bar along your legs until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings and into your glutes. Then, squeeze your glutes and hamstrings to return to the starting position with a final glute contraction at the top of the movement. Remember, slow and controlled is the name of the game. Take a few seconds to lower the bar down, pause at the bottom, and then take a few seconds to bring the bar back up. This time under tension is crucial for muscle growth. Next, we're moving to the Ankle Strap Hip Flexion. This exercise targets your hip flexors and helps improve hip mobility. Today we're going to be doing 3 sets with 10 reps per set per side for a grand total of 20 reps per set. So to be clear, we will be doing 10 reps on the right leg and 10 reps on the left leg. Here's how to do it. Attach an ankle strap to a low cable pulley. Face away from the machine, strapping your working leg. Keeping your core nice and tight, slowly lift your leg forward and up with a hinge at the knee. Lower it back down and make sure your movement is controlled. Again, focus on that slow controlled movement. You should have a few seconds coming up with a slight pause and then a few seconds coming back down. This one is challenging. It requires you to balance on one foot at any given time, so just be careful, take your time. If you need to lower the weight, go ahead and do that. Our final exercise is the Ankle Strap Hip Abductor. This move targets your outer thighs and hips, helping to shape and strengthen your lower body. Again, we're doing 3 sets with 10 reps per set per side for a grand total of 20 reps per set. And again, this is going to be 10 reps on the right leg and 10 reps on the left leg per set. Here's how to nail it. Stand sideways to the cable machine with your furthest or outside leg strapped in. Keeping your body straight, slowly lift your strapped leg out to the side. Pause at the top, and then slowly bring your leg back down to the starting position. Just remember our tempo. We're doing a few seconds out, a pause at the top, and then a few seconds in. Feel that burn, baby. Feel that burn. As you progress through each set, gradually increase the weight if you feel comfortable doing so. This regressive overload challenges your muscles, and listen, it promotes some serious growth. Just remember to listen to your body, but don't be afraid to push yourself. I want to hear from you and what motivates you. Comment down below and let me know if you prefer to see the entire workout, meaning every set and every rep so that you can follow along, or if you prefer to see pieces of the workout so you can do it on your own at your own time. I would love to know what your workout video style is. Let me know. And there you have it, my beautiful friend. A low impact, high results, lower body workout that'll leave your hips, glutes, and hamstrings feeling burned out, but stronger than ever. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate this routine into your weekly workouts and you will be amazed at the results. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.